Ang galing, no? Ano kayang pwede kong gawin sa bolang ito?
Naisip mo ba ang naisip ko?
B1, ikaw pala yan! Oo, naisip ko na yung naisip mo.
The Magnetic Levitator!
These are the parameters of our coil. The value of h of s, which is 1175, was obtained by getting the points where the graph is linear. Using the parameters provided, we input them into this matrix. These matrices would be used to get the g of s. Using MATLAB to simplify the process of solving the g of s, we get this. Using MATLAB, we get these graphs. At the right window, as you can see the graph, a pole is located at the positive x-axis, thus making this system unstable. In order to make this system stable, we add a compensator. Using MATLAB's ISO tool, we get a compensator value of 3 plus 0.087s. After adding the compensator, we get these new graphs. We then implement a PD controller